Not all microwaves are created equal. Panasonic technology is the pinnacle of microwave innovation. To start, our microwaves feature a Genius sensor. The Genius sensor takes the guesswork out of microwaving, detecting the moisture level in your food, and then defrosting, reheating, and cooking to perfection. Basics like potatoes, popcorn, and beverages come out exactly the way you want them. And our auto-cook menus make cooking fresh and frozen vegetables, entrees, and snacks fast and easy. But the Genius sensor is only the beginning. To produce the healthiest, most delicious results in your microwave, Panasonic developed our patented cyclonic inverter technology. Traditional microwaves use only high power and don't have true low-power cooking. Instead, they pulse on and off of high power, leading to inconsistent results, hot and cold spots, undercooked centers, and liquid splatters. Panasonic's patented cyclonic inverter technology puts an end to all of that frustration. With a steady stream of cooking power at all power levels, foods come out evenly cooked every time. The advanced cyclonic wave pattern lets you expect consistent, even results across everything from a cup of coffee to a full family dinner. Our spacious microwaves mean you no longer need to wait in line for your turn. And our easy clean interiors make cleanup quick and convenient. Features like Keep Warm, Turbo Defrost, and Child Lock are designed for convenience and ease, for both everyday and entertaining. Powerful, innovative, cyclonic inverter technology for smart, fast, beautiful appliances that are built to last. Trust Panasonic.
Microwave cooking can now produce better results with the Cuisinart Deluxe Microwave, offering a new variety of features and functions, such as sensor cook and inverter technology. An innovative power delivery system uses inverter technology to maintain a consistent power level, which keeps operation quiet. This state-of-the-art Cuisinart Deluxe Microwave Oven brings a new level of versatility and performance to the kitchen.
The MW2MM21PF can reheat your food and also keep it moist. Put it up. You can see it's completely frozen. Add in water and add in sausages. Now we're going to pop it in. You can put both in because it fits. Close it. Now we're going to make sure that the heat is on high and set it to 5 minutes, okay? Done. Now we can stir it up. Wow, the smell of tom yum is so good. We're gonna put the fried rice in a bowl first and then plate it like they do in restaurants because we pro. Now this is the trick shot. Oh, not bad, not bad. Sausages. Voila!